Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Minister of Industry and Advanced Technology, MoIAT, I would like to welcome you to Abu Dhabi and welcome to GMIS, the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit 2024. GMIS, co-chaired by MoIAT and UNIDO, represents a pivotal platform for driving the transformation of global manufacturing globally. This year's theme, Resilient by Design, the next frontier in industrial safety, is both timely and essential as we navigate in an increasingly complex industrial landscape. The UAE is honored to stand at the forefront of shaping a future where manufacturing is not only innovative and sustainable, but also inherently safe. Let me share how the UAE's vision and initiatives are bringing this to life. At the core of our industrial strategy are main key two initiatives. First being Operation 300 billion, which maybe many of you have heard of, which aims at doubling our contribution of the manufacturing sector in the GDP to achieve 300 billion by 2031. This initiative lays the foundation for an advanced, diversified economy, attracting global investments and driving innovation through cutting-edge technologies like AI and robotics. And I'm glad here to share that we've so far already achieved 205 billion dirhams of contribution so far out of our 300 billion in 2031. The second initiative is Make It in the Emirates, which amplifies this vision by fostering international collaboration and also creating a dynamic platform for partnerships and innovation. Together, these two initiatives underscore the UAE's ambition to be a global industrial hub defined by resilience, sustainability, and also forward-thinking policies. Ladies and gentlemen, industrial safety is not just a priority, it is a foundational pillar of this vision. We are committed to creating a safer, more sustainable ecosystem through innovation, enforcing rigorous standards, and also fostering global partnerships. These efforts safeguard our workforce, protect the environment, and also ensure that every industrial operation in the UAE meets the highest standards. Technology plays a transformative role in achieving this vision. From leveraging AI and deploying advanced robotics, the UAE continues to redefine global industrial standards. These innovations enhanced competitiveness, increase efficiency and productivity, and also drive unprecedented levels of sustainability, affirming the UAE vision as a leader in industrial excellence. Standards too are vital. As a nation, we lead the way in developing robust industrial standards that not only ensure safety and quality, but also enable seamless adoption of advanced technologies. These frameworks are at the backbone of a reliable and innovative manufacturing sector, and they reinforce our global competitiveness. Ladies and gentlemen, the UAE offers a wealth of opportunities for collaboration, from investment incentives and innovation hubs to initiatives that nurture top-tier talent. Before concluding, I'm also delighted to extend a warm invitation to each of you to the 4th edition of the Make It in the Emirates Forum, is scheduled to be on the 19th of May. This forum will continue to serve as a beacon for global partnerships and innovation in manufacturing, and I look forward to seeing all of you there. Thank you very much.